only time we're glad is when things are going bad for the silly creatures of the human race. Aha! We're the gremlin, terrible gremlin. It's no use for you to run away and hide. Oh, it doesn't matter where, for you'll find when you get there that the gremlins are awaiting right inside for you. The gremlins are awaiting right inside.
Look, Meanie, the hunting season opens today.
Yeah, what a day for mischievous mayhem.
I overheard you two. You're going out to cause a lot of trouble.
You're going out to cause a lot of trouble.
Goody, you're nothing but a wet blanket.
Yeah, always trying to spoil our bad times. Come on, Nasty, let's go. Tally-ho!
No, wait. Well, it looks like somebody's gonna need my help.
Look, Meanie, there's a likely victim.
The hunting season opens in an hour. Now I'm depending on you to hold a real steady point.
I'll be as steady as the Rock of Gibraltar, boss.
Well, if you're not...
Yeah, I know.
Right.
Now, how can we mess up that mutt? Did you ever see a pooch hold a point with hiccups?
You mean Operation Feather?
Precisely.
Can I hold a steady point? Get this, and this, and this.
Get out! Wake up!
This is terrible. I can't hold a steady point.
Wake up! Steady as the Rock of Gibraltar. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Come on, let's find another victim.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Uh-oh, that looks like some of their mischief.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
My, but you've got a real bad case of hiccups.
Yeah, and if these hiccups keep me from holding a steady point,
Wake up!
what'll happen to me shouldn't happen to a dog.
Wake up!
Don't worry. I know a cure for hiccups.
You do? Show me.
Wake up!
First, fill up your lungs with all the air you can hold.
Yeah, gotcha.
Now hold your breath till I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It worked. Your hiccups are good.
Wake up!
Oh, shucks.
I still got 'em.
Wake up!
I've got a sure cure. We'll use the ancient art of yoga. Now stand on your head.
Like this?
Right. Now say, hiccups, hiccups, go away. Come again some other day.
Hiccups. Wake up! Go away.
Wake up!
Come again. Some other day.
Wake up! Wake up!
I still got 'em.
Hey, Meanie, have you spotted any more scapegoats we could victimize?
Nasty, you sure are a glutton for punishment.
Wake up! Look, there's Goody with that hiccup and mutt.
Now this remedy has never failed to cure the worst case of hiccups.
That no-good Goody is trying to spoil our dirty work.
Now we're going into a steep power dive. Are you ready?
Everything is A-okay.
Wake up!
Blast off!
Now to put an end to your meddling once and for all.
It worked. My My hiccups are gone.
This'll keep you from interfering with our fiendish fun.
Yeah, he won't bother us anymore.
I've gotten out of stickier situations than this before. Those troublemakers are at it again. Flour. I'm gonna cure 3 birds with 1 stone. Boo! 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 Boo!
A ghost! It's you. Say, what do you know? You scared my hiccups away. I'll be able to hold a steady point again. East point, West point, to West point, 4 point, 10 point. Get the point?